My first question is, how were your expectations met in this conference now that it's over?
I think the conference met and even went beyond our expectations. We had wonderful participation, excellent discussions both at the Civil Society Forum and the remaining 2 days. We had very good representation, governments, youth, civil society, academia. I think the panels were thought-provoking, the questions were thought-provoking, and I hope that we were able to push the agenda a bit further and make a good contribution. But of course, at the end of the day, it depends how we will see the new post-2015 development agenda shaping up. But I think it was really good. Good mood also. And one of the advantages of these conferences, people do talk to each other, make new connections. It was good.
Yeah, thank you. And my second question is, how do you see the future involvement of youth in such projects and conferences?
I think we benefited a lot from having young people in this conference. I also had the opportunity to meet with some of your peers separately, so I got a better idea. It was very interesting to talk to them because in fact, one of the challenges is how to integrate youth more in such organizations, international gatherings. I think one thing is we have to support, youth coming together in our region, and if I'm simply talking about Eastern Europe, Central Asia region. We don't have, in fact, too many youth organizations, and I was hearing from your peers that sometimes they have difficulty actually connecting. So I think we have to support opportunities also for young people to get together, and then support existing entities to be able to participate. I know resources are limited, capacities are limited, so we have to help you develop those.
Thank you, and my last question is a bit different. How do you see the future in 2030 in 3 words?
When I hear 2030 the first time, it sounds like very, very far away, but it is not. The first thing that came to my mind was greener, but it's actually so close, I'm not so sure, but let's work towards it. Yeah, and when I say greener, I mean also more humane, more inclusive, more equitable, more sustainable.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you very much.